Okay, so this is going to be a quick tutorial on how you guys can earn passive income, thousands per day potentially, thousands of dollars per day, literally by getting crypto, storing it as if you would money in a bank, leaving it, that's it. You earn interest on your crypto by, and this is, this video is for anyone. If you're in crypto, if you're not, I'll make it super simple, don't worry, make sure to subscribe, make sure to drop a comment below if you want more videos like this, more tutorials. This has come from a lot of requests on my TikTok, so make sure to follow my TikTok as well. But what you need to do to use this method, quick intro, you do what's called crypto farming, or you deposit, you invest in a crypto farm, and also liquidity pools. That's basically where you get a certain cryptocurrency and you, as I said, kind of store it. You stake it, which in the crypto world means that you basically commit to holding that crypto in this dedicated place, in this dedicated wallet for a certain amount of time, and you earn interest in that. Liquidity pools, if you don't know what liquidity is, quickly, it's just basically capital, money, currency. So when you're putting in a liquidity pool, you're allowing people to get access to certain currencies. Farms are where you just put your crypto in there, and it will earn you rewards for staking your crypto. So, as mentioned on my TikTok video, you can earn a lot of money doing this. I've earned thousands of dollars using this. The first step is to go to what's called PancakeSwap, pancakeswap.finance, and this will be the page that you get to. Then you need to connect your wallet. So go on to connect wallet, and if you don't know what a wallet is, it's basically a bank account, a storage place for your cryptocurrency. So if you don't have a wallet, you want to create one. I use MetaMask, so you just click on Trust Wallet. Make sure that's working. So what you need to do is go and connect your wallet. This will open up. If you don't have a crypto wallet, go and learn how to connect, and this should open up. And then it gives you a few different options. I use MetaMask. You can use any wallet you prefer. I'm not affiliated with any of them. It's a super simple process. So you can get the Trust Wallet. You can download it on your phone, and iOS or Android. MetaMask, I used my browser to do this. So you just search MetaMask, download the extension, open the MetaMask app, tap settings. In the settings menu, networks, add network. On the page that opens, type in the following details. Super simple. Once you're confirmed, then you go back to the burger menu, click your browser, you type PancakeSwap into that browser, and then go to PancakeSwap, and then you just connect your wallet with the same step here. If you already have a wallet, you just select which option that you have. There's a few options in there. Then what you need to do is go on to the farms or pools section. So we'll go farms first. So what you need to do, I usually choose Cake or BNB. Now be very careful. Liquidity pools and farms, they can be risky. You can lose the money that you put in, especially when you're seeing high interest rates like this. The higher the rate, the riskier the underlying token. I choose Cake and BNB. This is PancakeSwap's native token, because 53% interest rate, that's absolutely crazy. That is absolutely crazy. Compared to less than 1% in the UK for your average bank. 50 times higher interest rate is crazy, and you also get added benefit from the multiplier. So if you leave your funds in, it keeps compounding and compounding. I use this one because it's based on Cake, which is this platform, and you can see the liquidity here, 663 million. It's a very safe token compared to a lot of these. It's the native platform, so you get that added benefit, and also it's Cake BNB. BNB is Binance coin. Binance's native token, which you basically, if you want to say this is risky, you basically have to say that PancakeSwap and Binance are both going to collapse, which I think is very unlikely, especially with the rise of cryptocurrency popularity recently. Anyway, what you need to do is go on to whichever one you want. You can explore a lot of these. Remember, they are risky the higher they go, but you will get more interest. You go onto click the option, click details, connect your wallet, and then it's going to walk you through a super simple process on how to buy the tokens, how to start earning, how to start staking them, and then you start farming them, and then you literally just leave it there, don't touch it. You can come back and check every day, you'll see it going up and up and up, and then when you want to harvest, staying in theme with the farm theme, you come back and you click harvest, and then that money will be deposited into your MetaMask wallet or your other connected wallet. I'll show you an example of mine in a second. Pools, you have to kind of do the same thing. So you connect your wallet, you need to have that token in your wallet already, so you just go through to trade, and if you don't have any funds in your wallet, you need to go to Binance usually, or any sort of cryptocurrency platform where you have crypto stored, or where you can buy cryptocurrency with your fiat money, with your pounds, your dollars, your euros. Send it over to your MetaMask wallet. I'll show you that in a second as well, and then you can sort of trade on here. And say you've sent BNB from Binance to your MetaMask wallet, you go on to here, you buy some cake, and you put in the amount you want to, and you connect your wallet. I'll show you in a second. So I just connected my wallet on my Brave browser. So if you guys haven't downloaded Brave browser, it's way better than Google. Private, and it's super fast. I'll put a link in the bio if you want to download that. Anyway, connecting my wallet, connecting MetaMask here. You can see I've got about $1,100 to collect today. I haven't collected anything for a few days. I actually withdrew quite a few of my my funds to put on a nice Bitcoin trade, because I sort of predicted that the price was going up. If you'd have seen that on my TikTok live, if you watched that, make sure to follow on TikTok, and you'll see the multiple lives I do a week. I do predictions, I show you guys what I'm doing. But recent Bitcoin trade, I'll just show you quickly, because I know there's a lot of fake gurus on YouTube and TikTok that don't show the results and actually aren't legit. You can see this is my profit on this trade. 0.08 Bitcoin is roughly $3,168. It's a nice 3k there made in a few days. Anyway, back to this. So you can see I withdrew quite a bit of my money. But once you connect your wallet, you go down to farms here, and you can, super slow, you can then harvest your earnings here. You can see you got about 780 to harvest on this farm, and I've staked about $6,700. And then the pools, you just go down to here, and you can kind of just do the same thing. You can stop staking. It's been super slow, and you can see the same here. You just sort of unstake the amount of cake you're holding. So hopefully that was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, drop a follow on TikTok, check out links in the bio for cool crypto platforms, bonuses, offers, deals, free crypto, and hopefully you guys get some value out of this. Let us know what you want to see in the next video in the comments. Thanks, and have a nice day.